So I just ran into a client the other day, and they were sharing with me something that had happened to them, and I want to pass it on to you because I'm hoping it'll be a learning experience for everyone. So their father had just recently passed away, and their mom was already gone. So the dad didn't want to do a trust. He didn't want to deal with it. He wanted to go through the expense. So he just transferred the title of the property when he knew he was getting sick and wasn't going to be around much longer. He transferred the property into his kids' names. Well, that actually is a taxable event. So now they're going to have to pay taxes on that. Where if he would have just gotten a trust and made them the beneficiary of the trust, there would have been no capital gains tax they would have had to pay. So it's a huge expense for them because he had owned that property for a long time. So we're not talking about a few $1,000s, we're talking about tens of thousands of dollars that they're going to have to pay in this capital gains tax. So talk to your accountant, talk to your attorney, whether it's not a probate attorney, but a trust attorney or a family law attorney, and they can help you with putting together a trust. I'm not going to say it's cheap, it's not. You do have to pay that upfront expense, but not only is it going to help you, your surviving relatives and kids when something happens to you, it's not only just a matter of money, it's a matter of a few different things. One, they're going through the stress of your death. They don't want to deal with all this other stuff, and they don't have to. They don't have to deal with the probate attorneys and all that stuff that goes on. It's very simple when you pass for them to be able to take care of your property and your accounts if it's in a trust and they're the beneficiaries. In addition, if you're sick and there's something wrong and they have to put you on life support or there's some other reason, you get to choose how you want that taken care of at that time. Your kids don't have to make that decision, which is a huge issue for a lot of people. They got to make that decision. It's really hard for them to make that decision for somebody else. And then if you do have young children, it also, you're able to put how you want those kids, who you want those kids to be raised by, how you want the funds to be distributed and when and where and at what ages. So you have a lot more control if you do that now. Once you're gone, you have no control. And like I said, the courts, the probate attorneys, they take so much more than what it's going to cost you in order to do a trust right now. So I'm going to get off my soapbox, but I just want to stress to you how important it is to get a trust done.